I am Honorable Chief Bodiaba, Domi Hugo one of Oboduku, Matamana in I am the father of the bridegroom, Ifeanyi Gerald Abba. Today, 11th day of August 2018, is the wedding day of Ifeanyi and Chinwendu. The sacrament of marriage is a fantastic thing. It was something ordained by God, and to the God be glory, it came to pass today. I wish the couple, the brand new couple, good health and all that are necessary for the life partnership. We had it, our parents had it, they have had it, they will produce children, and the children will have it in Jesus' name. I, on behalf of the Bodiaba family, my wife and co-siblings of Gerald, Uchenna, Chukwude, Nene, Chinwendu, Amalachi, and Nonso, and Chukwude. We are all grateful to God for what happened to our family.
They don't get land again, now water they sell. The other day I see my landlord, they tell somebody, from this side where mommy water they to that side, I don't sell that for him. Sanfila, may you and mommy water get problem. 2 weeks ago, I see a Hausa boys carry dog, they work out for you. Now 5 boys begin first. So Hausa boys don't they carry dog, Abby? They don't they carry dog. Now I go meet them, why they don't carry dog? And the 5 boys ask me, Hausa boys collect president for a hand 2015. Now they want to take dog. After them take president, he asked me, for your life you don't see Ukwaibon man carrying nama before? I said no. He said, Ukwaibon man not carrying nama. Hausa boy don't carry dog. We don't carry their own, they don't carry our own. I said that's true. From nowhere, motor jam Hausa boy, motor jam dog. Dog they die, Hausa boy they die. Ukwaibon boys rush, they straight the dog leg. They chook the dog injection. They pour the dog water. Now go meet them. Human being they die, dog they die. One of the head dog. Now one of my boy look me. My brother indigene first oh. You have to help your brother oh. Be your brother's keeper. That day now don't say dog and indigene. Ladies and gentlemen, we enjoy ourselves. In case you're just coming to Port Harcourt for the first time, I hear some people from Abuja, some people from here come. Plenty things happen for this our town. Port Harcourt is a very good town. Now for Port Harcourt here, I see Hausa man. I mean, when I know this song, I don't get a lot. God will, my gentleman for my compound. I don't know that Hausa people don't change the song. And then my compound, my gentleman, they sing the song. Is it a Chelsea again? No? Oh my look where Mega superstar will lie. I don't get a lot to know be me. I don't buy motor, no be me. You don't get a lot to know be you. Why did they sing this song? And so, come on, small song if I don't even sing well. Now I tell them, boy, sang up for them. Now I boy enter. Is it on your eyes again? Come on, rock me. Mega superstar, but you tell mother also. You don't get around and rock me. Say, what up, my motor, and rock me. in a rock, Miro. I think they clap for people here.